Alright, I am at Vogel State Park. This is Lake Trahylta. It's an old Indian legend where Trahylta and she was captured by a warrior from another tribe, and she died at the top of the mountain when he was trying to bring her back home. But this is the Trahylta's lake. I thought it was going to be bigger at Vogel State Park. Kind of disappointed a little bit. Was hoping it'd be bigger. But I'm going to give you the view of what this lake looks like. So I'm going to do a 360. I mean, the water is really, really dark. If you've watched that movie with Camp Crystal Lake with Jason, I think it is. Yeah, that's what this looks like. It's pretty though. I mean, it's a pretty lake. It's got a spillway way over there. I don't know if you can see it. But it's okay. It's okay if you just want to, putt around the lake a little bit. I'm going to kind of go a little bit so you can see there's a trail all the way around this lake that goes to Trahylta Falls. And if you can see, we're like in a hole. It's a hole off of highway, gosh, I don't even know what the name of it. It's a Blairsville highway. I can't remember the name of the highway. But it goes to around Blood Mountain. If that tells you anything. It goes around Blood Mountain. There's a little beach area on this. Like if you have kids, it would be a good place to go. They got a campground, but it's really noisy. You can hear the traffic from the highway. So the highway's like really, really close. It's okay. I could say I've been here now, but I'm kind of a little bit disappointed because I thought the lake would be bigger, because it always seemed to be, but it really isn't. It's just a little lake. I mean, it's cute. You can go around it. They've got fishing spots everywhere, but otherwise, it's okay. It's okay. Lake Notley in Blairsville is bigger. It's got a river to it. This one is just a little lake in the middle between mountains. It's kind of cute. But I'm going to give you a little tour here. But when I get off of this lake, which I'm fixing to, I'm going to go on Trahylta's trail to Trahylta Waterfalls. Check it out. So I'm going to hush for a minute and let you enjoy the view. It's got like a swings. Here's a pretty little view over here. But if you can hear it, it's very noisy. Look at this water. It's like very, very black. Like a lot of soot in it. Apparently, if you need to swim, this is where you go. If you live in this section. got a campground, a store, a beach area. All right. Oh, looks like they got some paddle boat rentals. Look over here, some paddle boat rentals. Yeah. Bathroom facilities. Not bad. It's a decent size.